Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. My name is Efia Teshua Acting and I'm talking to you all the way from Accra, Ghana. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you a free body wash recipe. Yes guys, this recipe is for everyone. I know I always leave recipes under my description box, but people still complain they can't find it. I'm going to leave the recipe on the screen of the video and then in the description box, but kindly watch this video to the end. Make sure you follow all the instructions in the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly go ahead and do so. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. I know I'm not good at posting videos often because I'm very busy, but I'll try my best to bring you guys more videos on this channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are absolutely welcome. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't want to make this video so long, so let's just get right into the video.
Photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can't take it on my heart. Yeah, give me your love, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can't take it on my heart.
Okay guys, so I said I was going to leave the recipe on the screen, but I'm going to leave it in the description box. The recipe I calculated for, I ended up adding more water. So kindly check every information in the description box. This is how it looks like. I don't know whether it's from the chemicals I bought, but I ended up adding so much water to it, unlike the recipe I calculated for. So check the description box for all the information needed. This is the amount I got. It was still thick. I could even add more water to it. But check the description box for the recipe. This is the next day. You can see it looks very thick. I even wanted to add water to it at this point, but I decided to leave it that way. So make sure you go with the original recipe. If you think it's too thick and you have to add more water to it, then you can add it little by little to get the desired thickness you want. Okay?
My heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can't take it on my heart. Yeah, give me your love, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can't take it on my heart. Yeah, give me your love, yeah. Photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I